Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel for learning English. Today, we have a very practical lesson for you. We will follow Emma to the supermarket. Shopping for groceries is a part of everyday life. In this video, you will learn useful vocabulary for food, drinks, and how to shop in English. Emma will speak slowly and clearly. Please listen carefully to her pronunciation. You can also repeat after her to practice your speaking skills. Let's join Emma and little Ben on their shopping trip.
My name is Emma. I am a stay-at-home mom. Today is Tuesday. I need to go to the supermarket. Our fridge is empty. We need food for the week. I take my car keys. I take my big shopping bags. I put Ben in his car seat. Ben is my little son. He is 3 years old. He loves going to the store with me. We arrive at the supermarket. The parking lot is very big. I find a spot near the door. I get a shopping cart. First, we go to the fruit section. The fruit section is colorful. I buy a bag of apples. I buy a bunch of bananas. Ben loves bananas. I put them in the cart. Next, we look for vegetables. I buy a big bag of carrots. I buy some green broccoli. Lena likes carrots. She is my daughter. She says they are good for her eyes. I also buy some tomatoes and onions. They are very fresh today. Now we go to the dairy aisle. I need milk for breakfast. I buy 2 bottles of milk. I buy a tub of butter. I also buy some yogurt. Ben likes strawberry yogurt. Then we go to the bakery. The bakery smells wonderful. I buy a loaf of fresh bread. I buy some muffins for Mike. Mike is my husband. He likes muffins with his coffee. I see some cookies too. I buy a small box of chocolate cookies. They are a treat for the children. We move to the meat section. I buy some chicken. I buy some beef for dinner. I want to make soup tonight. Then points at the fish. The fish are on ice. Look, Mommy, fish, he says. I smile and wave at the fish. I check my shopping list. I need eggs. I buy a box of 12 eggs. Ben is getting hungry. I give him a small snack from my bag. He eats his snack quietly. We go to the drinks aisle. I buy a large bottle of water. I buy some orange juice for the morning. Finally, we go to the checkout. There are many people. I wait in line patiently. It is our turn now. I put the items on the belt. I pay by card. I put my card in the machine. I enter my code. It is very fast. I pack my bags. I put the heavy things at the bottom. I put the bread and eggs on top. I carry the bags to the car. I put the bags in the trunk. We drive back home. I am tired, but I am happy. Now I have everything for my family. I can cook a delicious dinner tonight.
Thank you so much for watching and listening. We hope you enjoyed this trip to the supermarket with Emma. Did you learn any new words today? Try to use these sentences the next time you go shopping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons with Emma's family. In our next video, we will see what Emma cooks for dinner with the ingredients she bought today.